Hey guys, this is Lawrence McDaniels, working on a 2011 Cadillac SRX. Customer complained of both front headlights wasn't working. First of all, you want to start out by checking the fuses. Fuse number 46 and 47. It's 20 amp fuse. These two right here. And the two 10 amp fuse is fuse 55 and 56, which is the high beam fuses. I found both of them. All the fuses were good. To get these headlights out, you got to take all the plastic clips out. Move this back. And then you will have probably about 7 10mm bolts going across the top of the bumper. And right here, you have to take the 3 filler bolts out of the fender well cover, and it will have a 7mm bolt right here that you have to take out on each side. Then you can pull the bumper off to snap out the clips. They got clips here, clips there. The whole bumper will come out. You have a 10mm bolt here on the headlight assembly. One here and one here at the top. The headlight assembly comes straight out. Okay, I put a new ballast in with a new bulb. Still would not work. The headlight still wouldn't work. After further investigation, I found out that the igniter was bad because this headlight was absorbing water and it corroded all the terminals of the igniter. It's actually just 3 bolts at the bottom, and I hope this video helps. That's the way you actually pull the headlight assembly out, to change the ballast or the igniter, or sometimes even the headlight bulb. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe. Thanks again.